what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. This has been really highly requested, so I figured I'd do one, seeing as though I've just gone back to university. Today's my first day back. So yeah, I thought I would show you what I eat in a day. I've already filmed my breakfast, but I'm just filming this intro now. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button whilst you're down there. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not like vegetarian or vegan or anything, so yeah, this is a pretty basic what I eat in a day. I don't really have a specific diet. I kind of try to eat healthy when I can, but at the same time I don't like stop myself if I want to have like a piece of chocolate or a packet of crisps. I'm not like very restrictive with what I eat, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please ignore my current state. I've just got out of the shower. For today's breakfast I'm having some of these toasting waffles. I bought these the other week and haven't used them yet, so I really fancy one today. Woo! They come in like a pack that has 2 waffles in it, and you get 2 of these, so you have 4 waffles in one pack. But they're super small and dinky, but they're just the perfect amount for me. They don't like massively fill me up too much, but they're just a nice amount of food in the morning. So along with the waffles, I'm going to put on some Nutella. I got this tiny little pot the other week from Sainsbury's, and I just think that's such a good idea. Like, if you don't want to buy a full tub, you can get these little tiny things, and that is like a big portion. And then I'm also going to have this fruit pot. I love these. They are brilliant. They taste great, and they're great for just a snack as well throughout the day, but I'm just going to have it with my waffles. Here we are. Here is my breakfast for today. Presentation, not its best, but I've got Nutella on some waffles with all of that fruit pot, and I'm excited to eat it. Okay, so I'm about to leave to go to uni, and I'm gonna make myself a snack because I'm there from 1 until 6, so I'm guaranteed to get hungry at some point, and I don't really want to spend money when I'm out at uni to buy like a snack when I have plenty of food in the house that I could eat. So I'm gonna make myself a little snack. I've got this little square Tupperware box, and I'm just gonna kind of fill it with things from the fridge that I might want to snack on. Like, I've got these roast chicken bites that I'm definitely gonna put in there. I bought this like classic box of salad. I was in the mood when I was doing the food shop to like have a salad, and I've not eaten it yet, so I'm just gonna like pick out like the cucumbers and just little bits like that, leaf, some lettuce and all that, and put that in there, because I definitely won't eat this whole box of salad, but I can pick at it whilst I'm in my lecture. Okay, so this is my snack. I've just got some chicken, roast chicken bites things that I showed you earlier, and then this is all the bits from the classic salad. I've got tomatoes, some cucumber in there, a lot of lettuce, some shredded carrots. But yeah, I'm just going to take that with me, and it'll be good to snack on throughout my lecture. My first lecture is 3 hours, but we do get like a 15-minute break in between, so I can eat that then if I'm hungry, but we'll see. I'm not currently all that hungry right now, but I know throughout my lecture I will be. I'm also going to fill up my water bottle with some juice. I quite literally live off this stuff. It's incredible. It's my favourite juice in the whole damn world. I mean, it's literally just apple and blackcurrant squash, but I love it, so I'm going to fill my bottle with that. I can never open my bottle. Oh, there we go. Okay, hello, good evening everyone. Tea wise, it's currently 5:30. I've just got in from uni. I'm not that hungry at this very moment. I had, obviously I made my snack for whilst I was at uni. I ate that and then ate a bowl of chips when I went to the student union with my friends between like the 2 lectures. So I'm not that hungry right now. I'm gonna leave it an hour and see how I feel. But I've either got soup with bread or chicken fajitas for tea. It depends. But I'll decide in like an hour or so. So I will see you when it comes to actually making my food. This is a bit confusing. I'm filming like 4 different videos at once, but for today's tea, I've decided to have chicken fajitas, so I've just made those now. Yeah, chicken fajitas is what I'm eating for my tea, and then I'll probably have a pudding, but I'll show you that later. So I'm gonna sit and dig into these and probably watch Love Island. Yeah, that's what I'm having. Inside I've just got lettuce, cheese and some salsa with the chicken and the peppers. So fajitas.